The Spirit of the Lord is the oil. And it is symbolic of the fire, power of God, during the time of Pentecost. So, the oil here, wala pong langis ang mga hangal, kundi yung matatalino lang ng mga gabi. Tingnan niyo po, sa lumang tipan, kung sino po ang banal na espiritu. Then, Samuel, he is a prophet. He is a prophet of Israel. Then Samuel took the horn of oil. So, oil po yun. And anointed him, ang inanointed po dito ay si David, na maging kasunod na hari. And anointed him in the midst of his brethren. And the Spirit of the Lord came upon David from that day forward. So Samuel rose up and went to Ramah. So the oil, which is